Welcome back to the Pure Silver Joy Workshop channel. Today, we'll teach you how to make a beautiful silver leaf ring using silver clay. This project is fun and simple, with a difficulty rating of 2 stars. By following these steps, you'll be able to create a stunning silver ring with intricate leaf textures. Let's get started. First, let's prepare the ring. Take an appropriate amount of silver clay and roll it into a ball. Then, use a pressure clay plate to roll it out into a strip about 7 centimeters long. Place 1.5 mm slats on both sides to ensure the silver clay is evenly thick. Next, wrap the ceramic ring pellet with a layer of isolation paper. If the paper is too long, simply trim off the excess. Then, add an extra layer of regular paper to prevent the silver clay from coming into direct contact with the ceramic pellet. Afterward, use a water-dipped paintbrush to gently dampen the paper surface to help secure the silver clay strip. Now, wrap the silver clay strip around the ceramic ring pellet. If the strip is too long, slightly overlap the ends and trim the excess with a craft knife at a 45-degree angle. Carefully join the ends with a bit of water, then smooth out the seam using a carving pen. Once the ring is shaped, place it in a toaster oven to dry. After drying, carefully remove it from the ceramic ring pellet. If there are any gaps at the inside seam of the ring, gently fill them with silver clay and smooth the surface to ensure a seamless finish. Then, place it in a toaster oven to dry again before refining the shape using a file and fine sandpaper. Next, let's create the silver leaf. Choose a leaf with deep veins and clear texture that matches the size of your ring, and make sure it is clean. Roll the silver clay into a ball, then flatten it using 1 mm slats. Place the leaf on the silver clay and gently apply pressure to ensure the veins and texture are clearly transferred to the clay. Gently press along the leaf's edges. using a needle tool to trace the shape of the leaf. Finally, use silver clay paste to securely attach the leaf to the ring. Apply tape to hold the leaf in place. And then place it back in the toaster oven to dry. When the ring is ready, it's time to fire it. Place the ring into a preheated kiln at 800 degrees Celsius 1472 degrees Fahrenheit for about 5 to 10 minutes. After firing, allow the ring to cool, then gently brush off any white residue with a steel brush. Afterward, refine the surface using coarse sandpaper, followed by fine sandpaper. Finally, use an agate burnisher to bring out a brilliant shine. And there you have it, a beautiful, unique silver leaf ring, capturing the delicate beauty of nature. To achieve the best results, here are some helpful tips to keep in mind throughout the process. 1. Choose a leaf with deep veins, and make sure the leaf size is suitable for the ring base. 2. When attaching the leaf to the ring, ensure it covers a larger area. 3. Make sure the ring is completely dry before placing it in the kiln for firing. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and click the notification bell so you don't miss out on more crafting tips. Thanks for watching, and happy crafting!